Hey guys, what's up? This is Matt with Adventures with Matt, and I want to share with you a little unboxing review video of the G-Shock watch that I bought. So if you are new to the channel, this is my second watch that I'm going to be reviewing, and first one is this lovely little Armatron right here, one of my best watches I've had. Still going strong, but I felt time to upgrade from the little basicness to a little bit more well-known G-Shock. And so I purchased this, and I want to just unbox the video. So I got this from Reed's way back over in I think on the East Coast, and they're a big jeweler chain over there, and they sent it to me from Amazon. And so just inside, when you open the box, I think this is where kind of like, this is like a box that you would send to a jewelry store, and then you would just discard this. Because when you open the box, this is what's inside. Nice little tin here. G-Shock. Water resistant 20 bar. G-Shock since 1983. Shock resistant. Nice. Really cool tin. Got G-Shock on there. And I believe that's the model. MPMGSA 520. I'm not sure. Maybe that's just a serial number. And then you get the warranty card right here. No, warranty card's somewhere on the bottom, I think. Yeah, here it is. The warranty card's in the bottom. And then this is the model number, 3403. Now, this is very important. Don't throw it away. You're really going to need this, and I believe it's in quite a few languages. Because just the English version goes all the way to page 70, if you can see that. So quite a bit of stuff that this watch can do, and that's another video. So I'm going to put that back in the box with the other stuff, and I want to just kind of show you what's inside this tin a little bit right here. So take it off, and got this nice little foam thing here. It's wrapped nicely. If you want to keep the display for something else, that's great. But it's really nice in this bag here. And this is a first impression. Ooh, that is shiny. That is a shiny watch right there. So I got the black and gold one because I wanted to really kind of make it, let it go with any kind of outfit that I choose. But this is the G-Shock, and it's got a lot of features on it. It's got vibration, got I think 5 different alarms you can set on it. It's got quite a few different modes. The buttons are on the side here. Right there is kind of an off plastic other than the main body here. And this one is actually supposed to be like that, I believe. Really nice gold screw accents here on purpose to kind of stand out. The band does feel plastic, but I've had quite a few Casio watches before, and their product is no joke. So I'm not at all concerned about the durability of the band itself. And if you are a watch person and you wear watches for a while, you know that these screws and pins can come out and you can interchange bands like nothing. And I know that you can find them on Amazon or any watch store fairly cheap. As far as weight, this is pretty heavy compared to the Armatron that I got here. You can see the dial is definitely smaller, but if you look at the thickness compared to the other one, this G-Shock has a lot more going on. The computer inside is pretty good. So I know that there's a lot of stuff going on in there. So again, the band is solid. The metal's solid. I know on the back here, you might not be able to read it, but they do got serial number. They tell you where it's made, 20 bar, and the model number. This one is the GD350BR, if you're wondering. And there's a chart in the manual that I pre-read that states all the facts about that watch. But again, this is just a unboxing review. This G right here, if you press it, it backlights the watch, if you can see that. And it stays on for a little bit, so it saves the battery. And there are a lot of different features that you can do with this watch that we are going to look at in another video. So if you are at all interested in getting a G-Shock, this is a good starter G-Shock, I will admit. It's fairly reasonably priced considering the G-Shock brand is well known and requires a hefty price tag, but at an entry point of about $70 to $80, this is a pretty good solid watch that will last quite some time, and I am not at all concerned about the build quality or wear of this watch. So again, thanks for watching. This has been a review of the unboxing of the Casio G-Shock GD350BR, and I'm looking forward to wearing this and seeing how it works. So again, thank you for tuning in to Adventures with Matt. Hope you have a nice day. Peace out.